In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your recently used emojis on your iPhone. You know those emojis that pop up every time you open the emoji keyboard? Sometimes we just want to start fresh and remove them, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, open your Settings app. Then navigate to General. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. And from the list that pops up, choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Now, before you go ahead and confirm the reset, here's something important to note. Resetting the keyboard dictionary will remove all your recently or frequently used emojis, but it will also delete any custom words or shortcuts you've added to your keyboard. So just be sure you're okay with that before proceeding. If you're good to go, you can proceed by entering the passcode. Now, when you go back to your emoji keyboard, you'll notice all the frequently used emojis are gone. The ones you'll see are just the default suggestions that come with iOS. And that's how you clear your recently used emojis on iPhone quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.